Let's be real. We all love our furry friends, but the constant battle with pet hair? Yeah, that's a different story. It's on the floor, on the carpet. Somehow, it even ends up on the kitchen counter. It's just everywhere. But what if you could win that battle hands-free? Today, we are diving into the best robot vacuums of 2025, specifically designed to eliminate pet hair for good. We found the absolute top-tier machines that will change your life. And don't worry, all product links are in the description. You can check them anytime. All right, ready to reclaim your clean floors? Let's dive straight into it. All right, let's kick things off with an absolute powerhouse. Coming in at number 1, we have the Dreame L10S Ultra Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Now, what makes this a beast for pet owners? It's not just about cleaning your floors, it's about cleaning itself. This machine is self-cleaning and self-emptying for up to 60 days. Seriously. That means for 2 whole months, you barely have to think about it. It handles all the collected pet hair and dust on its own. But it gets even better. It also has an auto mop cleaning and drying feature. So after it mops up those muddy paw prints, it returns to the base, washes the mop pads, and then dries them with hot air. This means no nasty, mildewy smells. Combine that with a massive 5,300 PA of suction that digs deep into carpets, and you have a true set it and forget it cleaning system. If you want top-tier convenience, this is it. Check the link below for the latest price and all the details.
Next up, at number 2, we have a name that's synonymous with smart home cleaning. This is the ECOVACS DEEBOT X1 OMNI. The killer feature here? The built-in Yeeco voice assistant. Imagine you just spotted a fresh mess of kibble on the floor. Instead of grabbing your phone and opening an app, you can just say, "Okay, Yeeco, start cleaning right here." It's the ultimate convenience for those instant pet messes. Of course, it also has the incredible all-in-one Omni station. This isn't just a charger, it's a full-service pit stop. It empties the dustbin, washes its own mop pads, refills the water tank, and then dries the mops with heat to keep everything fresh. With powerful suction and a dual mop system that actually scrubs your floors, the X1 Omni is perfect for the tech-savvy pet owner who wants a truly hands-free, futuristic cleaning experience. You can learn more about it using the link in the description below.
Coming in at number 3 is a fantastic option that really excels at deep cleaning hard floors. This is the XIAOMI MIJIA Self-Robot Vacuum Mop 2. If your home is mostly tile, wood, or laminate, listen up. The standout feature here is its high-speed rotary scrubbing. These aren't just static damp pads. They are dual mops that spin fast and press down, actively scrubbing away tough dried-on grime, like those muddy paw prints that have been sitting there all day. And of course, it's a beast with pet hair too. With a powerful 5,000 PA of cyclone suction, it has more than enough muscle to lift fur from deep within carpets and grab every last dust bunny from the corners. It navigates intelligently using an LDS laser system, mapping your home precisely so it never misses a spot. For those whose biggest pet peeve is not just loose hair, but the dirty floors pets leave behind, the MIJIA Mop 2 is an absolute powerhouse. You know the drill. The link to check it out for yourself is waiting in the description below.
Moving on to number 4, let's talk about pure, unapologetic suction power. If you have thick carpets and a pet that sheds a ton, you need to see the Neatsvor X600 Pro. The headline feature here is its absolutely massive 6,000 PA of suction. To be clear, that is an incredible amount of force for a robot vacuum. It's specifically engineered to dig deep into high-pile carpets and pull out that stubborn, embedded pet hair that weaker vacuums simply can't handle. But it's not just a powerhouse, it's efficient. It can vacuum and mop simultaneously, tackling both fur and dusty paw prints in a single pass, which is a huge time saver. And it does all this with smarts. Using its laser navigation, it maps your home accurately.
This lets you use the app to set up no-go zones, which is perfect for telling it to avoid your pet's food and water bowls. Bottom line, if your #1 priority is maximum suction to conquer an extreme shedding situation, the Neatsvor X600 Pro delivers that brute force in a smart package. You know where to find the link. It's right down in the description.
And rounding out our list at number 5 is a fantastic choice for anyone who wants that key premium feature without the premium price tag. This is the ILIFE V9 Pro. The biggest selling point here is that it brings self-emptying convenience to a super accessible price point. Yes, it comes with its own self-emptying station that holds weeks of dust and pet hair. This gives you that incredible hands-off freedom without breaking the bank. Now, with 3,000 pascals of suction, it's a solid and reliable performer, perfectly capable of handling the daily shedding from your pets, especially on hard floors and low-pile carpets. It uses smart gyro navigation to clean your home in neat, methodical rows, and you can still schedule cleanings and control it with the app, or even your voice using Alexa. So who is this for? It's for the pet owner who is sick of emptying a tiny dustbin every day and wants an affordable entry into the self-emptying world. It's an amazing value pick. If that sounds like you, the final link of the day is waiting for you in the description below.
You know what? I've got one more for you. Let's call this a bonus pick. Coming in at number 6, we have the LIECTROUX CB30. Now this one is for the power seekers. Just like another vacuum on our list, this boasts a massive 6,000 PA of suction. So right off the bat, you know it's an absolute monster for digging pet hair out of even the thickest carpets. But where it really stands out is with its smart mopping. The CB30 has a smart electric water tank. This is a huge deal because it lets you control the water flow level directly from the app. You can choose a light spray for your hardwood floors or go heavy on dirty kitchen tile. It gives you precision control and prevents messy puddles. It also has smart map navigation, memorizing your floor plan for efficient cleaning every time. So, if you want that top-tier 6,000 PA suction power, but also demand smarter, more controlled mopping, the LIECTROUX CB30 is a serious contender that balances brute force with a bit of finesse. The link to this bonus pick is, of course, down below.
And finally, at number 7, we're returning to the brand that kicked off our list, but this time with a focus on incredible value. This is the DreameBot D10 Plus. Think of this as the L10s Ultra super efficient younger sibling. You are getting the 2 most crucial features for a hands-off pet hair solution. First, auto empty. Its base holds up to 45 days of dirt and fur, so you can forget about the dustbin for over a month. Second, you get high-precision LiDAR navigation. The mapping on this thing is lightning fast and super accurate, which means it cleans methodically and doesn't miss spots. It packs a very respectable 4,000 pot of suction, which is the perfect sweet spot. More than enough power for daily pet hair on carpets and hard floors. So who is this for? It's for the person who wants the core automated experience, LiDAR mapping, and self-emptying without paying for the absolute top-tier features like auto mop washing. It's one of the best bang-for-your-buck robots out there. If you're looking for that perfect balance of price and performance, the D10 Plus could be your winner. The link is waiting for you down below.
And rounding out our list at number 8, we have a fantastic option for those who believe that smart home tech should look as good as it performs. This is the ROIDMI EVE CC. Right away, you'll notice its clean, minimalist design. The Smart Dust Collection Station is compact and stylish, designed to blend into your home rather than stand out. But inside that sleek package is a powerful system that gives you weeks of hands-free cleaning. Performance-wise, it's right in that sweet spot with 4,000 PA of suction, making it highly effective for grabbing pet hair from carpets and hard floors. It also offers a great mopping system for a complete clean. It integrates seamlessly with Google Assistant and Alexa, and users consistently praise the ROIDMI app for being incredibly intuitive and easy to use. Setting schedules, virtual walls, and cleaning modes is a breeze. So if you're looking for a powerful, self-emptying robot that scores major points in the style department, the ROIDMI EVE CC is a beautifully designed workhorse. Check out the link in the description to see if this is the one for you. All right, rounding out our list for real this time, at number 9, we have a robot that is exceptionally smart about handling different types of floors. Meet the Proscenic M9. The magic here is how it combines aggressive mopping with serious intelligence. It features dual rotating mops that press down and scrub away stubborn, stuck-on messes, perfect for dirty paw prints. But here's the genius part. It has automatic carpet detection. The moment it senses a rug, it instantly lifts the mops and increases suction power. This means it can go from scrubbing your kitchen tile to deep cleaning your living room carpet in one continuous run without you lifting a finger. It backs this up with a strong 4,500 PA of suction to pull up embedded pet hair, and its large dust bag means weeks of hands-free cleaning. So, if you live in a home with a mix of hard floors and carpets, and you want a robot that can intelligently handle both without any help, the Proscenic M9 is one of the smartest all-in-one solutions available. To check out this incredibly smart floor cleaner, you know where to find the link.
Okay, we've officially made it to the double digits. Our final kick at number 10 is specifically for everyone living in a multi-story home. Meet the ABIR X8. The absolute game-changing feature of the X8 is its ability to create and save maps for multiple floors. You can carry it upstairs, put it down, and it instantly recognizes the layout and uses the correct map without getting confused. For anyone tired of their robot only being smart on one level of their house, this is the solution. This is all made possible by its precise laser navigation system. This system also gives you incredible control in the app. You can draw a restricted area around your pet's water bowl, or send it for a zone clean right where the cat knocked over a plant. It's customized cleaning at your fingertips. And while its mapping is its claim to fame, it's a very effective vacuum for daily pet hair on all surfaces, ensuring every level of your home gets a proper clean. Bottom line, if you want a robot that can intelligently clean your entire home, not just the ground floor, the ABIR X8 is built specifically for that job. To get a smart clean on every level of your house, check out the final link in the description.
And that's a wrap. 10 incredible robot vacuums, each one a certified beast at battling pet hair in 2025. From multi-floor mapping to self-cleaning mops, your perfect cleaning partner was definitely in this lineup. Ready to claim your fur-free floors? I've dropped the links to all 10 robots down below in the description so you can check the latest prices and grab the best one for your home. If this epic list helped you out, do me a huge favor and crush that like button. And I have to ask, which one are you leaning towards? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more no-fluff reviews, and until next time, enjoy a cleaner home.